Hey everybody, Anita here. Welcome to my channel. I have some products here to show you, and these are going to be my fluid mani. I haven't done one of these in about a year, I think, and I have a new product, new to me. It's called Spot It, and it's from Dance Legend. I purchased it from What's Up Nails. And what it does is it makes the cells when you do the fluid mani. You'll see when I use it. I start out by putting a whole bunch of polishes on my silicone mat. If you are unfamiliar with fluid manis, you just put a whole bunch of polishes that you think go together, and you can polish them onto the mat, or you can drop them on the mat like I'm doing here. You just want to get a lot of variety of color. Now in this video I show you how I did all 5 fingers. For the 5th finger, my pinky, I used a little bit different technique. Instead of positioning, here comes the Spot It. This is the fun part. Once you put this product on, it comes in different colors. You smush your mani and then just let it work. Look at that. I love that. It's so cool. It makes like these cells, these almost look like bubbles in the polish itself. And there's several different ways, like I said, that you can do this, but this is the way that I chose to do it. Now the secret to having success with your fluid mani is to let it dry. You have to let it dry completely. You don't want to let it dry overnight, in my opinion, because it's going to be brittle and you're going to cut it apart. It's sort of like a big decal. You're going to, once it's dried completely, you're going to peel it off your mat and then just cut it into sections that you'll then apply to your nail. Like I was saying, I did this on all 5. I'm going to show you all 5. I did speed this up considerably. I did use a slightly different technique to apply the pinky, and you'll see that toward the end. I will meet you back at the end and wrap everything up. I just want you guys to, if you are not familiar with the technique, to get familiar with it. You see that I have a base coat on my nails. It's one of the polishes that I had shown you in the beginning. Just put a little piece of that on for size, and you'll just begin the repetitive process of trimming and applying. So I'm gonna again let you guys watch. If this is your first time here, thanks for checking me out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like what you see. The bell icon will notify you when I upload a video, and that's once a week. Please feel free to leave me a comment. I enjoy hearing from you. Let me know how you like to do your fluid manis. There are several different ways to get a similar look, and I'm just curious as to which way you like best. If there's anything you'd like to see me try, again, just drop me a comment. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I do have some still photos at the end for you. I did do some stamping on one of the nails for an accent, and that is from the Lina stamping collection. I will have all of the products in the description box for you. The stamping plate is, which one was that? Oh, Totally Negative. That was a new plate that I just gotten. So I just wanted to try it out. I had to play with it. I didn't want to cover up the pretty polish the way I'd done it. I like the design. I thought it came out really pretty. And here, what you see me doing, I'm just taking that tool and I'm just putting a little bit of nail polish remover on it and just going around the cuticle. That really helps to dissolve the polish, so that when I use the cleanup brush, it'll clean up pretty easily. That's a little trick I learned in doing a bunch of manis and having to clean my cuticle and clean around the cuticle and get it to be even around the cuticle. It's hard for me. It's not easy sometimes to get it to be as neat and as clean around the cuticle as I'd like it to be. So again, just sit back, watch, and again, leave me a comment and I'll talk to you at the end. This time, instead of using the stamper, I just put it on with my tweezers and finished it that way. That's just an alternative way to get that little polished decal on there. Finish with your favorite glossy top coat. And that's this one done. I hope you guys like it. Again, just leave me a comment and a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.